Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to enable the share button, allowing your posts to be shareable inside of Facebook. Before we begin, know that this will let your own posts be shareable, not posts from other people. So if you're looking to share someone else's Facebook post, they must do this also first. But if you're the original poster and you want to make it shareable or someone else has asked you to do this, this is how you do it. Open Facebook and head to your profile page by tapping the menu button on the lower right. Inside of here, choose your profile on the top. Next, find the post that you want to make shareable and tap the three-dot button on the top right of the post. In this menu, choose Edit Privacy. Here you can see that the privacy is currently set to Friends. Change the privacy of the post to Public instead. This will then change the privacy and allow it to be shareable by anyone. When you're finished, tap Done. You can then confirm the ability of the post to be shareable by seeing the public globe at the top of the post. And if you're trying to share a post of someone else's and you're unable to do it, you can reach out to the original user and ask them to change the privacy of the post to public or send them a link to this video. And that's how you enable the share button and allow posts to be shareable inside of Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.